Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're going to be doing an easy Easter spring wall hanging basket arrangement. I think it turned out super cute. Pretty easy, doesn't take a lot of time. We're going to be pulling in some of the natural elements with our natural carrots and our cute little Easter bunny pics. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Welcome to my channel. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so today we are going to be doing a cute little Easter hanging basket arrangement. So these are the little moss baskets. They come in a set of 2, so we're going to be using the larger one today. I will have a few of these kits available if you want to make this. We don't have many, but I do have a few. So let's go over a few of the supplies. So you're just going to need a piece of floral foam. Okay, I've already cut this one. Then we're going to be going with our mixed lamb's ear bush. Isn't that just beautiful? And look how much you get on this one. So we're going to be using this. I brought in a mixed eucalyptus bush. I think that's what it is. A berry eucalyptus filler pick, sorry. So we're going to be adding a few of these little elements in here. And then we are going to be adding our little natural carrots, our cute little bunnies. And then florals, I just brought in 2 things. I brought in these beautiful, what are these called? Wild Garden Rose Spray. So it's sort of like a peachy orange. And then we're going to be going in with this orange Globosa spray. I just love this. So going to be a little bit more of a softer neutral palette, just a pop of orange. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we are going to get our foam in here. So I am just going to add some glue down in there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, I'm going to take a couple floral picks. And I'm just going to go in through the back and just kind of make sure that is attached there. Let me get a couple more. Okay, so I'm just going through the back with those floral pins and just making sure it's catching our foam there. Just add about 3. I think that should be good. Hit it with some glue right up at the top. Okay. Do my best to keep this thing upright while we're working. All right, let's add a piece of our lamb's ear. Okay, so I'm going to add this right in the center. Before I go too far, I wasn't going to moss this, but I think I'm going to add just a tiny bit of moss. Now you guys are going to have to bear with me. I cannot work backwards, so I'm just going to flip the view for you guys. All right, I like how that is flowing, giving our stems a little bend there. I like how this one's kind of coming out the back. This one's kind of got a little spillage. So that's good. Let's get another piece. Stuff flying everywhere. All right, y'all, this is not going to work for me. I may have to get our little easel out. That's going to kind of flow out to my left or my right if I'm looking at it. Okay, let's get another piece. Okay, hopefully that's a little better. Let's add our cute little natural carrots. And I'm going to pull these apart. Let's see where I want to get this one. I think it's going to go about right there. Okay, let's get our other one here. I'm going to cut it down a little shorter. We'll get it added right about there. All right, before we add our little bunnies, let's add our beautiful little garden spray here. Take the tag off. I'm gonna put that one right in the middle. It has a nice little natural kind of drape. So it's creating that movement coming forward. This one I think I'm gonna put over here. Really pretty. I'm gonna cut that. I'm gonna give this little guy a haircut here. There we go. All right, let's get our other little spray added. Our little Globosa. I hope I'm saying that right. So we got a couple pieces of this. Now this one's clustered. I'm gonna see if I want to leave it together or if I want to cut it apart. I think I'll leave it clustered like that. And then now I have two other little pieces. Go over there on that one. Let's get our last one here. We'll kind of put it next to there. Beautiful. All right, let's add some more greenery and then we'll get our little bunnies added. So we have a couple more pieces from this lamb's ear, mixed lamb's ear bush. I'm gonna get a piece added. I think I'm gonna split this one up actually. Get a little piece there in the front. Let's get this little bit. Added right in there. Take this one. I like that it has the different types of greenery in here. It's like a mix, so you don't get all lamb's ear, you get a little bit of mix. Some other leaves in here. I like it. I think this is supposed to be a little eucalyptus one here. Let's get some on the side over here. Okay. Oh, got one more little lamb's ear piece. Giving that a little bit more of a spilt forward. Okay. Now let's go in with our mixed eucalyptus pick. This is going to bring in a little bit of the darker green from our planter. Or our little wall hanging thing there. Basket. Losing my train of thought there. So I'm going to go in with a couple of these little pieces from that pick. And we're going to add a couple pieces. Making sure I hear that foam, giving that one a bend. Pulling a little bit of the darker green. Now this is optional. You could just stick with the lamb's ear. But I want to pull in a little bit more types of greenery, and I like that this kind of pulls in a little bit of the darker, I don't know what you call it, the little plastic ones that hang, because you can just cut them off, but when they put them right on the stems, it makes it difficult. Okay, let me cut this one down. See where I want to add this one. We'll go right back there. Got a little bit of a hole right there. Let's see if we can get, we got a little berry here. A little berry piece. Nice. Okay, let's get our, we still have some more pieces of greenery, but let's get our little bunnies added here. I keep this stem longer just till I find out where I want it. And here we go with the tag again. Okay. So I have a taller bunny. He's gonna go in the back. I don't know if he needs to be this tall, but let's see. Yeah, we'll leave him that tall. Okay. See if I can find that foam again. Okay, he's peeking out there. Let's get another one. Put this bunny here in the front, kind of fill in that hole a little bit and actually bring some attention to him. There we go. Little cutie patootie there. All right. Got a couple more pieces of greenery we can add from this bush. And of course, stop whenever you like. Whenever it makes you happy. We're almost, I think, pretty good. Add a couple more pieces here. See if we can use up this pig. So we're going to get away with one of these. I think I want to create a little bit more drama over here. Hang that one down a little bit. Okay. I think I want to bring in one more of these. Okay, so I have one more of these. we needed a little bit back there. Okay. I'm gonna put this one on this side. There we go. So there is our cute little Easter, our little Easter bunny wall hanging basket in a beautiful, just a little bit of the softer natural colors with our natural carrots and our little bunnies and our soft, sort of almost like a coral orange garden spray there. I think it turned out beautifully. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you are new to our channel, we would love to have you subscribe, hit that little notification bell. You'll be notified every time we have new tutorials. And if you love floral design or you're a beginner and you want to learn more, we'd love to have you join our Designer Circle group. There will be a link down in the description for you to join. So we would love to have you. Until next time, y'all. Bye.